Hi, I'm Susan Goldstein, Web Conference Consultant here at Harvard's Division of Continuing Education. We use the web conference program Zoom for over 250 courses a year. For these courses, teaching staff and students sit in front of their computers to attend class together at the same time each week. This allows you to fully engage with all your students no matter where on earth they are. All that's needed is a computer and a stable internet connection. Zoom is also used for section meetings in conjunction with recorded classes. Staff members use Zoom for student advising sessions and other types of meetings. Let's take a look at a class conducted in Zoom.
Hi everybody, welcome to Applied Online Course Design. It's good to see you all again. I'm going to record this session, so I'm going to hit record right now. And I will post this all to our Canvas site after class, so you'll all be able to review this if you'd like to.
Web Conference lets you fully engage with all your online students. Zoom has many tools to help you facilitate learning. Some of these tools include high-quality audio and video to enhance discussion.
So did any groups talk about what the techniques that this video used to help make content easy to understand? Yeah, Carrie.
So I think there were a lot of these, but related to time span, so the way that they use the calendar to sort of highlight how far back time went, but in a relatable manner.
Share screen to show a PowerPoint or website.
I want to talk about it in the context of the readings that we did for this week on essential questions. So I'm going to share my screen and show you a quick summary of different types of questions that we might ask.
Use the whiteboard for brainstorming sessions or have students edit a document.
One of the questions I would have is, what are the qualities that make an effective leader?
That's a great question.
Chat to enhance discussions, send documents through Zoom, or post links.
Sent the file, and now I'm going to send you the Canvas course link in the chat.
Polls allow you to hear from all your students, gauge their understanding, and spark discussion.
So it looks like our winner is what distinguishes music from noise.
Breakout rooms allow students to work together in small groups to delve more deeply into topics and help to form learning communities.